Now we will discuss on switch statements, which comes under conditional statements. So what basically we have in switch statement is that we have many options to choose from, and depending upon the condition we will choose only one option from all the given options. We will try to understand this through an example, but before that let's have a look to the syntax. So in switch we write switch keyword, and then here we write the variable, then we put the curly brackets, and in between of curly brackets we write case, then constant, then a colon, then we have statements, then a semicolon, and then at the end we write a break keyword. Then we write, this is the constant 1, then same thing we have again, we write constant, okay, this is the case, then constant 2, just copy this, and again we have constant 3, and at the end of all the cases we write a default. We have a default keyword, then the statements, okay, then okay. So first we will write statement in which we pass a variable whose value would decide what case to choose from. Now in curly brackets we write different cases. Each case has its own statements which when called would execute all its statements, and rest of the cases will be skipped. And when no case matches with the variable, then we write a default case. So when no case matches, it shows you a default statement. After each case we write a break, so that switch will break when the true comes out. So let's run an example script now. So I just delete this part here, and I will declare a variable day, and I assign its value to the 4. Okay, then I write a switch statement. I write switch, and in brackets I will write day variable, and then I will put the curly brackets, and in brackets I will write case 1, then a colon like this, and I will write the statement. So I will write document.write, then in brackets I will write Monday, then a colon, semicolon, and then I will write break. Okay, so this is my case 1, and I just copy this part for other values also. So this is my case 2, and I will write here Tuesday. Then I have case 3 for Wednesday, so I will write Wednesday. Then I will write for 4th value, that is 4, then Thursday, then 5 for Friday, then 6 for Saturday, and then last will be for Sunday. So I will write here 7, and here I have Sunday. Okay, save this file, and also we have to write the default statement. So I will just write here default, and then I will just remove the break, so we don't require a break in the default. And instead of writing Monday, I will write wrong value. Okay, save this file. So what basically this break function works, break keyword works. So we have switch in which the case is checked only once. So if I write variable day is equals to 4, so switch will have 4th value here, and the 4th case will be chosen from here, and it will print the Thursday here. But then and if I do not write the break here, then it will do not check the case here. It will simply skip the checking part of the case and executes all the statements that have inside the that have below the true statement. That means in this case, if I do not write break here, so fourth case will get executed. So I will get Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday, Sunday, and wrong value. So we write break so that when the fourth case get executed, we execute document.write Thursday, then the switch will break and the flow will go outside the switch statement so that no other case get executed. So just save this file and refresh your web page. You can see we are getting Thursday here. If I change this 4th to 6 and refresh the page, you can see we are getting Saturday here. And if I want to get any other value apart from 1 to 3 to 7th, if I want to get the default value, so I will just change the file, the value of day variable from 6 to any other integer that is not in this case. So I just write 8 here and refresh the page. You can see I'm getting the default value, that is wrong value. So we have a vast use of switch statements as well, but you will be using if else more than switch statements in your scripts. So we'll discuss about switch and if else very deeply when we create web pages in future videos. For now, these are the basics that you should know for the foundation level. And that's all for this video. Thank you.